Hey, I'm gonna do the cinnamon challenge. I know I'm a dumbass for doing this, but whatever.
The other side, Amy, the other side.
This one? That's the big one.
Oh, that is?
Dumbass.
Well, then take off the cap and just stick the spoon in there.
No, okay.
What?
Nothing. Okay.
No, just put that all on the spoon.
Oh, sorry, I forgot about you. Okay, I'm ready.
That's not even a spoonful.
Shut up.
I'm just joking. Come on, girl, just get it over with.
Do you really want me to die? You want the llama to die? Okay, ready. Oh, I'm swallowing.
Swallow, swallow. Oh shit, my finger was in the way. Ew, it looks like a turd.
It took my nose. I'm getting tortured by myself.
Well, if you're stupid.
Feels so much better.
You got some shit stuck in between your teeth.
I just put some water up my nose.
No.
Oh, the spoon was in here the whole time.
And that was her.